She's got a bit of an ouchie there, but that's a superficial thing.
Brown belly black?
No, it's a
Eastern brown.
Eastern brown.
Is it?
Yeah, second most venomous land animal on the planet. That's the one from the photo from last year.
You come over, mate, if you want to have a look.
Just there, got all
Come
the
around.
just a bit of skin.
I was going to say that'll come off in the next shed anyway, and she'll be perfectly fine.
Just a cut. Hey Jensen, what sort of snake is this?
Jensen! Oh, he's gone inside. He doesn't care. There's toys in there. Alright, give me your phone.
Having a crack here.
Give it a minute.
When it rakes up, tell what's going on.
Mate.
You're very funny with your puns, aren't you? Your dad jokes.
That's right. Thanks, buddy.
So it is.
It is
an Eastern brown.
See that mark there?
Yeah.
She's about to shed, and that's her normal colour under there.
No, get in the bag, sweetheart.
I want to put in there.
Oh,
And,
if she wants to go in there.
Old or young?
Look, if it's a female, I've got a 17-year-old female at home that's not much bigger than her. So determining an age of a snake by its size is very difficult. It's at least 10 years old, at least.
Okay. The woman who lived there previously in about October last year
Had us come out and show me a photo of
Oh,
that
did
snake.
she really?
That's how when this lady
It
told
was
me.
on the other side, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
near the
told me
stairs,
that
the front.
There was a snake here, and she described it. That's it.
Yeah,
That's it. And
good
this is the
on
one from the photo. So, yeah.
That's a...
No, not this species. No, other species do.
Usually
Some-
when
some
it comes to mating
not
season
picking up
though, the
anymore.
females will
That's amazing.
ovulate and the males will
Or
be
you have
attracted
to
to her,
hope
so you
that
get a
this
few.
wasn't an ovulating female, but it would have attracted all the boys from around.
It's the wrong time of the year anyway.
That was the effort. That's not over for you yet. Just a piece of wood.
Are you going to
across
do the
there.
rest of it, or?
Not today. I think the neighbours will talk to you.
Piece of wood across there, fill it with gravel, it will look good, it will drain,
mate.
it'll stop rats from living there, stop spiders,
I'm
cockroaches.
thinking I'll frame it
Chain
up and
toads.
maybe just pour cement in.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
You'll have the
No?
same
It's up to
issue.
you.
The cement.
It's up to you, mate, but
Cement would basically act the same as what this
stick
has.
to-
So if another one moves in,
I can't believe she sat there throughout all that drivel.
Yeah, because I heard you say you thought she'd come out
I
as soon as a
can't
rabbit.
believe it.
you
This
know.
whole thing.
So yeah, just gravel, eh?
Oh, well, look, if it was
Yep.
my house, that's what I'd do. It looks
I'll
just
probably
as
end
good,
up
it's a
ripping
shitload
this bit.
cheaper. Oh yeah, I ripped this
I'll
up.
rip that little bit up and
And
I'll
replace
gravel
it
the
with
rest. Sorry mate, it'll be a few hours later on, but I'm not doing it for a long time.
yeah, time for a beer for you.
I'm slowly getting rid of this crap hole out the back.
And I'll stick a link in this page on this feed too for the people who want to donate. So, I'll stick that up in a minute when I get to the car. Cheers guys, see ya.